Okay, see if you can do this now. So make X the subject, and X is here. Okay. Visualize this as one bubble, and at the bottom, even though you've got a plus here, you've got to visualize it as one bubble like this. Okay. So when you times, you've got to times the whole bubble at the bottom, because you're trying to isolate this X here, but it's stuck in the whole bubble. So when you've got to visualize it as one whole big bubble here like this at the bottom. Okay, so gonna press pause and make X the subject. Have a go. Okay, so to do this, visualize it as this bubble here. At the moment, you've got that bubble at the top divided by this bottom bubble here. Ultimately, you want to get X on its own. You've got two layers at the moment, this and this. So let's times the bottom bubble times both sides by the bottom bubble. So it will be y bracket ax plus 4c. Close it, and on this side it would be this. Okay, now multiply it out. So this would be a y x plus 4cy equals 3a squared b to the power 5. Okay, you're trying to make X a subject. You can visualize it as one block here plus this block here equals this block here. X only exists in this block, so let's get rid of this one here. So take away 4cy from both sides. So on this side it would be this, it would be a y x, and on this side it would be 3a squared b to the power 5 minus 4cy. Okay, because all these two blocks they don't contain X at all. So get them on the other side. Now visualize it at the moment as this bubble timesing this bubble. That's what you've got at the moment. So divide both sides by a y. So you will have this. So on this side it would be X. This side would be 3a squared b to the power 5. Take away 4cy, all divided by a y. So X is the subject. Okay, so this next one. Okay, make X the subject. So there are a few ways of doing this, but one way is get this, multiply with this, and then get this, multiply with this. So when you get this, multiply with this, in effect you have a times 3x over b. So you've got a whole number multiplying a fraction, so it gets multiplied to the top. Okay, so when you times a fraction it gets multiplied to the top. So anyway, somehow make X the subject. So press pause and have a go. So okay, let's get this times this. So this would be 3ax over b. Take away this times this. So that would be 3ac. Okay, and on this side it would be 5y. We're trying to make X a subject. So visualize it as at the moment this block equals this block, take away this block here. Okay, X is in this bubble here. So let's get rid of this. Let's move this to the other side. So plus 3ac to both sides. So take the 5y down, plus 3ac. On the right hand side it would just be this over b. Okay, keep an eye on X because that's what you want to make the subject. Now times both sides by b. Remember, at the moment you've got this bubble here. So when you times b, it will be this. Okay, so it will be b bracket 5y plus 3ac close bracket equals 3ax. Okay, we could multiply this out. But let's not bother. Let's just leave it as that. So you can visualize it at the moment as, because when you have two things multiplying each other, they sort of like merge together to create a block. So you can imagine that as being the one whole block. Okay. So now divide both sides. At the moment you've got this bubble multiplying this bubble. That's what you've got at the moment. So let's kill off this 3a. So divide both sides by 3a. So take that block down, which is this 5y plus 3ac, all divided by 3a. So x equals this. Okay. Yeah. Okay.